Hello, everyone. Welcome to Dream Fluent Workshop, your one-stop destination to learn English step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to improve your English skills, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll cover the basics of English conversation, from greetings to small talk, so you can start speaking English confidently right away. Chapter 1, Greetings and Introductions. Let's start with the most common English greetings. Hello, simple and friendly. Hi, casual and relaxed. Good morning. For mornings, good evening. For evenings, try repeating after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good evening. Great job. Now let's learn how to introduce yourself. Hello. My name is Mani. What's your name? Practice this with me. Hello. My name is Sarah. What's your name? Perfect. Keep practicing until you feel confident. Chapter 2, Everyday Small Talk. Now that you can introduce yourself, let's move to small talk, those little conversations that help you connect with people. Common small talk questions include, how are you? Where are you from? What do you do? A simple conversation could sound like this. Person A, hello, how are you? Person B, I'm good, thank you. And you? Person A, where are you from? Person B, I'm from India. What about you? Practice this with a friend or in front of the mirror. Chapter 3, Vocabulary for Daily Life. Here are 10 common English words you'll use every day. 1, water. 2, food. 3, family. 4, work. 5, friends. 6, happy. 7, thank you. 8, please. 9, sorry. 10, time. Repeat these words with me. The more you practice, the better you'll remember them. Chapter 4, Quick Grammar. Tip, let's talk about the present simple tense. This is how we talk about habits or facts. Example, I work in a bank. She likes coffee, they live in New York. Remember, with he, she, it, we add us to the verb. Chapter 5, Practice Makes Perfect. Now let's put everything together in a small conversation. Hello, my name is Mani. What's your name? Hi, Anna. My name is John. Nice to meet you, John. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Where are you from? I'm from Italy. What about you? I'm from Brazil. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee. Great job. You're already making progress in your English learning journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Leave a comment with your introduction. I'll be reading and replying to all of them. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay motivated.